Hey folks, this is Adam from Best Health Supplement Reviews. Today we've got a great one for you. We're going to look at beetroot supplements. In fact, I'm going to compare, contrast, give you reasons for which ones are the best, give you my number one selection, and I'm going to show you a link below where you can pick it up and get the most bang for your buck. So let's kick it off right about now. Now, the one thing I've noticed that a lot of people have the same problems, same health problems, same issues. We all talk about it. We have a lack of focus. Memory's not working the way it should. We've got heart problems. We're gaining weight, a little bit of depression, not feeling our best. And I found that a beetroot supplement can really change that. So why are we doing this video? Now, first off, I noticed that certain people were having better health results than others. Certain people were feeling better. They weren't having some of those issues. They were taking their health more seriously. And frankly, a lot of those people were taking beetroot supplements. So there has to be a connection there, right? So let's look into that further. So how come beetroot supplements may be the answer for you? Well, first off, they help with a lot of things. They help with your heart, your blood pressure, your circulation, your endurance, your stamina, things like that. And if those are things that you need help with, you definitely need to look into a beetroot supplement. Beetroots do this by increasing nitric oxide levels in the body. Beets are rich in nitrates, which are necessary for the body to make nitric oxide. And did you know that our body's ability to create nitric oxide decreases as we get older? So as you get older, you're much more likely to need a beetroot supplement. So here are the things that your beetroot supplement should definitely have. First off, you should have a concentrated amount of beetroot powder. It should be made by a medical doctor and it should be non-GMO. There should be no animal byproducts, should have a great price, a 90-day money-back guarantee, and of course you're going to want great customer service. So what's our leading candidate? Well, our featured beet of the week is UltraBeets. KaraMD, this stuff is absolutely amazing. Now I'm a little biased because I love the flavoring. The apple cherry flavoring is absolutely amazing. I just put a scoop into my water, drink it down, and it's delicious. You can mix it up with other flavors, different juices, things like that. Mix it to taste and do it your way. I'm just fine with water, just mix it in real good. You can see here's the nice labeling and packaging. It is non-GMO, vegan, has a 90-day guarantee, and straight out of the USA. It also has a ton of actual beetroot, so that's huge. It has a heart health blend of beetroot powder, hibiscus flower powder, and apple juice powder.